Hello, Barbara Ann Mojica, aka Little Miss History, with you for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher. How to set up a mini lesson for your child in just a couple of minutes. Today's lesson is spaghetti art. And to do this lesson, we are going to need a few items that you can easily obtain. First of all, you're going to need a template from kidsminds.org. The link will be in the show notes to my Pinterest board. I downloaded and printed the template in color. You can also do this in black and white if you want your child to use crayons to decorate the face themselves. Now, we are going to be very creative and use our imagination and enhance fine motor skills. We are going to take uncooked spaghetti, and you're going to ask the child to break up the uncooked spaghetti into different size pieces. Then you're going to ask the child to arrange the different size pieces all around the lion to make the mane. I would strongly suggest that you use a brush with the glue to cut down on the messiness, and have the child take the brush and use dabs of glue for each strand, carefully arrange them around the lion's mane. When you get all done, again, I would suggest taking that brush with the glue and putting a very light dusting of glue on top to make sure that the spaghetti adheres to the paper. Other optional suggestions: you can print this on cardstock if you want to make it more durable. You can even laminate or cover with plastic if you want to make a keepsake lasting frame picture that your child can hang on the wall. I hope you've had fun with this activity that encourages your child's creativity and also enhances fine motor skills. Hope you'll tune in every Friday for teaching lessons in all different subjects every week, and for other educational fun that your family can use and enjoy with your child. Check out my website at www.littlemisshistory.com. Until next week, goodbye.